What we're going to do now is put the stabilizers on. And these are 13mm acorn nuts, and this is a extended reach 13mm socket. And lift it up. And set it on here. This is where you need help, but I've done it already the other way with this swapped around. There we go. And you put your washer on like that. Acorn on top of that. Acorn nut. And tighten it. Do the same for the other side, which I'm pretty sure you can't see me do that. But at least as long as you see one, it's good for all of them. So this is the one with the wheels underneath it. And not the decals. The decals go in the back. So let's tighten this down. I'll start over here where you can see me do it, hopefully. Okay, the other side. I'll just swing it around a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. And tighten it down. This is the way it's supposed to go on. Now we'll do the rear. Swing that around. Like that. And bring my acorns and washers up here. Like that. And the front stabilizer up front, put the bolts through like this, and it's got a little square like on here, and that does too, so those go in there like that. There. And now we'll try to get that through. Set the front end on the top of this. Hopefully I can do this by myself. I've already done it once by myself. Okay. There you go. Your acorn on, your washer on, and then your acorn on top of that. Finger tight. Same thing on the other side. There we go. Finger tight. And then take your ratchet, 13mm, and tighten it down. And then it'll be done, huh? There you go. Make sure you check it. Okay, we're good. So we're done.